Guys, today we are going to see how to change a battery without anyone's help. It's a simple DIY, so I'm going to see. So I bought a battery from Amazon. This is Amaran battery which have 48 months warranty, and I have a screwdriver and my bike keys. That's it. Let's see how to do it. I'm going to unbox the battery, whatever is inside. It has a warranty card and it have a screws, nuts, hold it, and it have a battery. The battery name is Amaran Pro Rider. Let's see how we do it. I'm just using the bike key. Just unbox this, and you can see the old batteries. There are two covers, one the black one and other with the red one. So I'm going to just unscrew it.
Unscrew it.
It is a little tight, but yes, it's coming smoothly. Yeah.
Take that one. Take that black one.
Now I am going to I have removed the screws. I have taken those plugs. I am just going to remove the old battery. Yes, this is the old battery. I have removed it. You can compare and see. Both batteries look similar. Yes. Now I am going to install it. Very simple and it's very easy. Let's install it. Before installing, there are two nuts which comes with the battery. Just put it in the direction so that
Square nuts.
like this.
I just put the square nuts
Same way the other nut as well.
this side.
This side one and this side one. And now fix the battery in the place. Ensure that the nut holes are in the same place so that the battery will get clipped properly. I have kept in the same in line. Now I am going to screw it.
Oh no.
It's tight. I just tightened both the nuts. Okay guys, I have completed installation of this battery. I'm just going to lock this screws up so that you should not get this little pretty tight, but somehow I managed to lock it. Now I am going to lock this panel which is provided. Just the bells are actually torn, so I'm just, if you have bells, just pull it and then lock it like this. It will get locked. Now
Papa, lock on.
Oil up the covers, and the covers are tight now.
Hmm.
Let's see how it works.
Let's see.
It's working fine as